Hello students, today we are going to study the exercise of chapter 1 of class 5 EVS. The chapter name is Super Senses. So let's start with the exercise. In that first exercise, question 1 is fill in the blanks. So first blank is some male insects can recognize their females by their blank. So what is your answer? Your answer is smell. Some male insects can recognize their females by their smell. The next second number, kites, eagles and vultures can see blank times as far as we can. So your answer is 4. Kites, eagles and vultures can see 4 times as far as we can. The next blank, third number, animals that are awake at night can see things only in blank and blank. So answer is black and white. So animals that are awake at night can see things only in black and white. The next blank is 4 number, elephant, rabbit, cow and buffalo have ears blank than our ears. So your answer is bigger. Elephant, rabbit, cow and buffalo have ears bigger than our ears. The next 5 number, fishes give alarm call by blank. So fishes give alarm clock by electric signals. So here next is our exercise number 2. Question 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. In that first statement, animals can see as many colors as we can. So your answer is false. The animals who are awake at night time can see only black and white colors. They cannot see the other colors. So your answer is false. Next is animals with bigger ears have better hearing than animals with smaller ears. So your answer is true. We had proved this in the activity in previous video. So your answer is true. Third number, snakes do not have external ears. So your answer is true. It doesn't have any external ears. The next is 4 number. Some animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or storm is about to come. So its answer is true. Animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or storm is about to come. The next 5 number, dolphins make different sounds to give message to each other. So yes, its answer is true. It is the right statement. So here our true false are over. Next question 3. Human beings are biggest threat to animals. Many animals are killed and their parts are sold. Match this animal with their parts which are sold. So here matching is given to you. This can be asked for as the match the following. So first is elephant. Elephant is killed for its, what will be your answer? So for their tusk. The next is rhinoceros. So it is hunt for its horn. The next is tigers, crocodile and snakes. So these animals are killed for their skin. The next is musk deer. So it is killed to make little sand from its musk. So this is your answer, and here in the next the answer of this matching is given to you. Elephant for their tusk, rhinoceros for their horn, tigers, crocodile and snakes for their skin, and musk deer, that is to make a sand from their musk. The next question is answer the following questions. In that first one, How do mosquitoes find us? So what will be your answer? Your answer is mosquitoes can find us by the smell of our body or smell of the sole of our feet and the heat of our body. So mosquitoes can find us by our body smell, by our body temperature or the smell of the sole of our feet. Next question is, why does a dog sniff here or there? So, dogs mark out their own area on the road. They can make out if another dog has come into this area by the smell of its urine or potty, or you can say by latrine. So, dogs are sniffing here and there to mark out their own area on the road, and they can also make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of their urine or potty. The next question, how do the ants recognize the ants of other group? So, ants can easily distinguish the ants of other group by its smell. Ants perceive smell by their long thin antenna. So, ants can differentiate the ants of the different group by their smells, and they can smell by their long antenna which is on the front side of it, the ant. Next question is a smell good or bad for everyone in the same way, or does it depend on how each one feels about it? So the answer will be like this, that a smell cannot be good or bad for everyone in the same way. Though some smell can be bad for most of the people, it also depends on how each one feels about it. One smell cannot be good for everyone, it may be bad for someone else. So it depends totally on how each one of us feel about that smell. So your answer is here. The next question is, how do snakes hear? So snakes do not have any external ears which we can see. They only feel the vibration on the ground, and by vibration they are hearing the sounds. So your answer is here for the how do snakes hear. The next question is, how does a langur warns other of dangers like tiger or leopard? So high up on a tree, a langur warns others of dangers by making a special warning call. So this is how they are warning their friends from the dangers like tiger and leopard or any another animals. Next question is, how do birds give alarm call? So birds give alarm call by making different sounds for different kind of dangers. For example, there is a different warning call if enemy is coming from the sky or if the enemy is on the ground. So for in both of the case, the alarm call given by the birds are different. The next question is, write the name of a bird which has eyes in front of its head like us, like in humans. So your answer is owl. Owl has eyes in front of its head like human. Next question is, how do birds focus? Write the name of some birds which have eyes on either side of the head. So, most of the birds have their eyes on either side of the head. Their eyes can focus on two different things at a time. When they look straight ahead, both eyes focus on the same object. And here the example of the birds given in which the eyes of these birds is on the either side of their head. So following birds have eyes on the either side of their head, and that example is was pigeon, sparrow, parrot and cuckoo. Or you can write the another example of the birds. Most of the birds have eyes on the either side of its head. The next question, you must have seen birds moving their neck very often. Do you know why? So here's the answer, that in most of the birds, eyes are fixed and cannot move. So birds have to turn their heads to see around. That's why they are moving their neck very often. The next question is, rewrite the following paragraph by filling the missing information about the sloth. So para is like this, that sloth looks like a blank, but it is not. It spends almost blank hours a day sleeping while hanging blank on a tree branch. The sloth eats the blank of the same tree on which it lives. It hardly eats anything else. When it has eaten enough leaves from the tree, it moves to blank tree. Sloths live for about blank years, and in that time they move only blank trees. Once a week it comes down from the tree to relieve itself. So try to find out the answer of this para. If you can have any difficulty, you can see in your textbook also. So here the answer of this para is given to you. That sloth looks like a bear, but it is not. It spends almost 17 hours a day sleeping while hanging upside down on a tree branch. The sloth eats the leaves of the same tree on which it lives. It hardly eats anything else. And when it has eaten enough leaves from that tree, it moves to nearby tree. Sloths live for about 40 years, and in that time they move only 8 trees. Once a week it comes down from the tree to relieve itself. So now we will see the next question. Here next question is given to you. You have to complete the table. Write the names of the 5 smells you like and 5 things whose smell you don't like. You can write the answer by your own self. Here I give some examples for you, that in first column I like the smell of, and in the second column I do not like the smell of. So I like the smell of roses, room freshener, biryani, floor cleaner or incense stick. And I don't like the smell of. In that column I had given that stale food, rotten eggs, garbage in dustbin, cow dung and dead animals. So you can write the answer by your own. So here our exercise for chapter 1 is over. In the next video we will see our next chapter, that is a snake charmer story. Try this exercise at your home. Thank you.